Hi, welcome back. Let's try to discuss incident number 30, I think. So this is incident number 29. I have forgotten to resolve. Okay, it's got closed. So now we got an issue like incident number 30 from your user. What I'm talking for your experience actually, what users will do. So this is severity 3. Could you process list of IDOCs attached Excel? So then why you have to process first thing? You just have to have a discussion with him. So he says that, IDOCs not generated for this list. So probably like, it is went go live last March or February. So they didn't check this one. So you need to take the confirmation mail. Okay, he said that attach Excel file. So you had a discussion with Thomas. So like I didn't find any Excel file. Then he will attach and he will send the Excel file through email, or else he will update the comments in the tool. Okay, let's assume you got it like okay. So from 6th to 7th. Okay, so from something like March or June to here, these many IDOCs got failed. Okay. So these are like, like from June, certain date to here, these many list of IDOCs got failed or something like this happened. Okay. Certain times, if user is clever, he will give the list, but he don't have access for W02. He will give the invoice numbers. You have to find all those things. So, so here, let's assume I'm copied. Let's go to BD87. It might have different issues most of the times. So like, it's a general practice. Certain old projects are there. Okay. They even count why it is failing and all. Okay. Just they will ask you, okay, to reprocess it. So if you execute it, you'll have a list. Okay. So select this. Okay. So three IDOCs got selected, but from old status to new status because I couldn't able to copy, I feel. Okay. Let me open one more session. W02. Well, let's try to restrict for last 15th. Okay. We go like, oh, sorry. I need to go for June 15th. It's somewhere like 15th here. Let's try to execute it. Okay. These many I sign off, you got it. Let's copy this. See, actually, you have to download in Excel like this. You have to process one by one. Okay. Sorry, list to list, or also all at a time. Also, you can able to do that. See, this is just for your understanding. I'm showing you this example. So let's try to put this, copy this bunch. Okay, many are there. Anyhow, let's execute it. Okay. So let's try to take the date back. Choose. Okay, these many items we got it. This is how. See, some process items also you got it. You don't want it. So what is your objective? You have to process all these items. See, 17 items at a time it is got processed. This is how. Certain times you will get issues, but you have to find out the root cause why these IDOCs got failed. Certain times it might be go to the another status 64 or something 01 or 02. Okay, if it is in red, if it is failed, we come to different statuses. Okay, I think you got it, how to do it. So I have explained you. Okay, maybe you will get a different issues also. Okay, so not only this issue, you will get a different issues altogether. Okay, you should be ready. Suppose if you processed all IDOCs, we can able to update. Okay, so like you can write it. Okay, Thomas. I don't for process. Let me know if you have any issues. So for them, it is like that. Okay, suppose it is creating some SFTP folder, and after that, so it will take 1 or 2 24 hours of time to get invoices get generated EDN, then only will come. So he replied you. Thank you. Will confirm tomorrow. Okay. You also said thank you. Then he said that you can close one day. Okay, like that. It will go to the C. It is this is Excel. I just imagine I'm just trying to explain you the issues. Okay. So what else you want? Let's make it resolve this one also. Okay. So let's catch up in next session. Maybe the incident 31. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great so you can comment if you want something, if you have any doubts.